What if I told you the real gold isn't locked in a vault, but in your mindset? And what if investing isn't just about money, but about unlocking freedom, power, and legacy? Let's stop chasing the glitter and start uncovering the real gold. Because today we're unlocking three crucial life-changing benefits of investing that most people never talk about. Most people think investing is about getting rich. Numbers, charts, buy low, sell high. They treat it like a game. But here's the truth. The system wants you distracted, wants you chasing likes, upgrades, weekend dopamine hits, so you stay broke, stuck, surviving paycheck to paycheck. But investing is rebellion. It's the quiet revolution no one notices until it's too late. So let's break it down. Not the fluff, not the buzzwords, but the real hidden benefits of investing that transform you from consumer to creator. Freedom, the currency of time. Imagine this. You wake up, no alarm. You work if you want to, travel when you feel like it, and the money, it works for you while you sleep. That's not fantasy, that's compound interest. Investing buys you time, and time is the only thing we never get back. Every dollar you invest is a soldier buying back minutes, hours, years. This is how millionaires retire young. Not because they worked harder, but because they worked smarter. They let their money earn while they learned. Control, escaping the 9-to-5 matrix. Let's be honest, a job is rented time. You trade your life for a paycheck. And most people never escape that loop. But investing? It flips the script. It hands you control over your financial future, whether it's stocks, real estate, crypto, or even a side hustle with reinvested profits. Every asset you own reduces your dependence on someone else's rules. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." Ouch, but true. Legacy. Building wealth that outlives you. Here's where it gets deep. Investing isn't just about you. It's about the story you leave behind. Generational wealth, opportunities your kids won't have to beg for, choices they'll inherit because you planted seeds early. Most families pass down debt. But you could pass down assets, rental income, dividend stocks, a crypto wallet, land, even a business. This isn't just about money. It's about rewriting your family tree. Freedom, early investors in the S&P 500 who stuck it out for 20-plus years consistently outperformed savings accounts, beating inflation and buying time. Control, 61% of millionaires in the US are self-made through disciplined investing, not inheritance. Legacy, Rockefeller's descendants still receive income from trusts set up over a century ago. That's the power of vision plus investments. So ask yourself, are you spending your life chasing glitter? Or are you planting gold? Start now, not when it's comfortable. Not when you're ready. Because the clock is ticking, and wealth rewards the early and the brave. Subscribe for more untold truths about money, mindset, and building unstoppable wealth. And remember, the gold was never hidden. It was just waiting for you to